Hi there, it's Kevin here, and if you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products. So please do subscribe, like, comment below. Today, I'm here to talk to you about a white noise machine. This is by AuCuTee, and it's great if you have a newborn, if you have trouble sleeping, if you live in the city like I do, and there's a lot of noise outside, cars, traffic, squeaky fans, etc. You will get a great night's sleep. I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and my sleep is totally improved because it just blocks out all the little sounds that could wake you up. Just gives you an even, consistent sound throughout the night. This has a lot of features. After researching on Amazon a lot of different white noise machines, there's a few things that I liked about this one, which made it stand out, and so I'm going to kind of go over them. Pretty simple, just comes with a box and super long cord, and then here's the machine itself. So, kind of give you a little lowdown here. One of the big features that AuCuTee has versus the other brands is it has a timer, so you can set it to where it will stay on for 30 minutes and then it'll shut off, or you can set it to where it will stay on for an hour and shut off, or you can just leave it running all night. So you kind of have three mode options, and then it has two different types of levels. So how you make it louder or softer, you can you just twist it here, and there's a lot of little holes that let out more air. Then there's some more holes here. Now another feature that this one has, which I thought was kind of cool, is it has a couple USB plugs here at the front. So you can, if you have it sitting on your nightstand, you can plug your phone in and charge, or charge in other devices. So like I said, it's very simple, but it makes a big impact when it comes to your sleep. Just plug in, it's ready to go, and you start getting a good night's sleep. So if you're in the market, especially, I cannot stress when I had a little one how much this white noise machines helped with newborn sleeping. So that's the biggest market, and then actually that's when I discovered it ourselves that, hey, this helps us sleep better too. So check it out. I'll put some information down below if you're interested. There's a lot of brands out there. This just happened to be my favorite one, and I felt like I should share it with you guys. So, like I said, if you're interested, check out my other reviews. I do all kinds of products, and help me out, and hit that subscribe button, and like, and comment below. So, till the next review, you guys take it easy, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.